going to go ahead and start programming the parameters over here. Just follow along. I'll explain as I go, because if I explain it now, it will probably come across more confusing. So let's go ahead and start doing so. We don't need this anymore. We're already displaying the products. Let's go ahead and close that. Let's create another script. Call this script shop. Stats. Go ahead and close that. Let's go ahead and add it into here. Drawing. Ooh, whoa, where are my fingers? Drawing shops. Or not shops. Products. Info. Stats. Alright. Script shop. What's it called? Stats. Okay, we can close that. We can open this up. Okay. And let's go ahead and create the variables real quick. So back into our draw menu. And we can put it in here. Okay, so we need perimeter 1. So we're going to call it prim1. This is going to equal, just for now, 0. The value's going to change later. Shows the strength of weapon. We have prim2. Shows the defense of weapon. Prim3 shows the cost of weapon. And let me make sure, is that all we have? Yeah, that's all we have. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and start drawing. We're going to draw the name of the perimeters, starting at 580x. 580 for x. And it's going to start at 261. 261 for the y location. Alright, let's do this. Drawing weapons. Start. Let's do draw text color. And it's going to be XV 580, YV 261. The text for this one is just going to be stare. And we'll draw this in the color. Let's do black. Yeah, right then my head started going through all these different colors, possibilities, and I was like, wait, hold on. This is not the design video yet. Okay, so we have black, black. Let's go ahead and do. Let's do right here. Line. We'll do black and black. Alright, so that's the stare. I'm kind of just checking to see if the font that we still have selected is going to work, or will we have to change it. And I think we should actually change it. So let's go ahead and make another font. Call this font shop stats. I think this one should be probably around 17. And let's go ahead and use. Yeah, that should work. Alright, then let's go ahead and set that font up real quick. Setting up. Fonts. Draw set. Font. What was it called? shop stats. Okay. And let's see if that one works. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Alright, cool. So now we can actually draw the next one around. Let's do 330Y. And we're going to keep it at the same X. Name this def for defense. Keep it the same color as well. See, 330. And then we'll copy and paste this. We'll name this price. Let's see, 330 minus 261 plus 330. 399 is where we need to draw this one. Alright, there we have it. We should actually have all three perimeters set up now. Yep, cool. Now what we're going to do is the numbers, if it's lower than the player's current amount, we're going to draw it one color. If it's greater than, we're going to draw it a different color. And if it's the same, we're going to draw it a different color as well. Might as well set that up. Let's see. But first, we need to find out the locations. So for the first perimeter, let's draw all of the weapons perimeters at 698x, and we're going to keep the same exact Y of each perimeter. So let's see, 698x. And I kind of forgot again to keep this open. Alright. Drawing weapons stat value. We're gonna draw text color. Well, actually, we're gonna draw different colors based on if it's greater than, less than, or equal to the player's current amount. So let's do if prim1, let's go ahead and start with less than global dot player strength. We'll draw this color. Well, we don't have to put it in an else, actually. But we're going to put it into an else. Because then if one is true, it doesn't have to read the rest of the conditions. It'll just make it run smoother as far as in performance. So else if pr1 is equal to global dot players strength. We'll do that. else if PR1 is greater than over.player shrimp. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. Draw text color. XV plus 698. YV is going to be the same as the stair perimeter, so 261. 261. And we're going to draw string PRM1. PRIM1. And this is lower than, so if it's lower than, let's make it red. Alright, we can copy and paste that. If it's equal to, let's make it black. And if it's greater than, let's make it lime. Well, let's start it with black. Lime. Red and lime, I guess. I probably should do aqua instead of lime. Let's see how that looks. Let's see, let's make it greater than real quick. Yeah, I like that. Alrighty, let's make it equal to 11. Oh, that's right, 11 is just black. Let's go ahead and make this less than, which is red. There we go. Sweet. Now let's go ahead and draw the rest of the stuff. And this is another good reason why it's good to be consistent in naming your variables. Mainly so that you can easily copy and paste and just tweak. Makes things a lot faster and easier. All I gotta do is change all of these with 2s. And then of course I have to change this shrimp to defense. And then change the Y location to 330. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do the next one. P round 2 is now 3. Change defense to, what is it, money? And for the money, if price is lower than the amount, we're gonna actually make that a good thing, because that means the player has enough to buy it. And if it's greater than, that will be a bad thing because that means the player does not have enough to buy. So let's change that to red. Right there, if it's equal, we'll keep it black as well. And we need to change the Y location to 399. Alright. So let's go ahead and put some value in here. Let's do... I already have the cost, the strength, all that kind of stuff. Let's go ahead and do this to... Let's do 84. Let's do 4. Just so that we can see how it looks. Alright, there we have it. Now we need to draw the value the player has, and we'll do that starting at, let's see, let's do 787 for the X location. 787. So we need to go back into our script stats. Alright. Drawing players current total of stats. There we go. So let's draw text color at XV plus, what is it? 787. 787. YV is going to be the same as these. 261. 261. Stir our string. And it's going to be global.player strength. And we'll draw this. Let's do purple. Okay. This one is going to be player defense. So we'll do that. Gotta put the underscore. And let's see, defense is on Y330. And then this one is the player's money, just like that. And this is on Y399. Let's go ahead and put a reference here. Alright, so there we have it. Now what we need to do is actually assign value to these based on the product the player is selecting. In order to do that, we need to go ahead and start making the input script. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. We are done with that. Let's go ahead and create another script called the script underscore shop input. Well, let's do button input. Go and add this. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. So what we're going to do is we're going to use both W and S and up and down to control the slot that the player is selecting. And my camera is about to die. So that's where we're going to start on the next episode, and I'll catch you then. Alrighty, so there you have it. Like the video if you like it. If you have any ideas or maybe any questions about how to do particular things within Game Maker Studio, just leave it in the comments below, and if I have any kind of time, I'll actually make a video on that topic as well. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and remember, be real, be true, be yourself.